Hey, welcome to this quick 2-minute mindfulness meditation. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, or just want to bring a little peace into your day, this is for you. Let's take a moment to breathe, reset, and find some calm together. Mindfulness is all about being present. It's about tuning into this very moment, letting go of worries about the past or the future. Right now, it's just you and your breath, and that's enough. We often spend so much time in our heads, thinking, planning, or stressing. But when we pause, we give ourselves the chance to just be. Let's start by focusing on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the air as it enters your lungs and leaves your body. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. This simple act of breathing is an anchor. It's always there, bringing you back to the present whenever you feel overwhelmed. Now, let's bring some awareness to your body. Start by relaxing your shoulders. Notice if you're holding any tension there. Let it go. Move your attention to your jaw. Are you clenching it? If so, allow it to soften. Let your face relax. Move through your body, from your head to your toes, checking in and releasing any tension you find. Feel the weight of your body against the surface you're sitting or lying on. Notice how supported you are. You don't have to hold on to any stress right now. Just let it melt away. Mindfulness isn't just something you practice during meditation. It's something you can carry with you throughout your day. Whether you're eating, walking, or even washing the dishes, you can bring your full attention to what you're doing. Next time you find yourself rushing through your day, pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and remind yourself to be present. This simple habit can make a big difference in how calm and focused you feel. Let's finish with a quick visualization. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place, a beach, a forest, or anywhere you feel completely relaxed. Picture yourself there, feeling the breeze, hearing the sounds around you, and just being in the moment. As we wrap up this short meditation, remember, you can always come back to this space. Anytime you feel stressed or overwhelmed, just take a moment to breathe and check in with yourself. You deserve these moments of peace. Take one last deep breath in and let it out. You've got this. If this helped you feel a little more grounded, don't forget to take moments like this each day. You'll be amazed at how much peace you can create just by being mindful. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.